What's up and welcome back to the channel. This is the 907 Fantasy Sports Betting page, and we got some Monday Night Football tonight between Tampa Bay and Detroit, and then we got Houston versus Seattle. So it's going to be some great games on tonight. We're looking at the Tampa at Detroit game, Houston at Seattle. Detroit's favored by 6.5, over under 52.5. Seattle's favored by 3.5. Over under 41.5. So I believe like 80+%, 90+% of the money is on Seattle. It's a little more split in the Tampa Detroit game, but I could see some upsets going on today. But let's do a little recap of yesterday. Unfortunately, we did lose the free pick yesterday, so very unfortunate there. I sent out another free play on Winible, and Drake London, if he would have caught that last pass on their final drive, we would have cashed. But he ended up getting pushed out of bounds there, didn't catch it, and we lost that play as well. So a real bummer there. But we're back today. We're going to bounce back. We ended up having a decent day yesterday on VIP, but just that last game is where we had a few of the plays, and that game did not go as we had planned it, or as I thought it was going to go. So we ended up missing out on a few extra slips there. So it is what it is. We're going to bounce back today with a lot of free money, free plays, and let's just get right into it. So all I ask is that you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel down below. Honestly, it really does help me out, and I would greatly appreciate it. So if you could do that, that's all I ask. And in return, I'm going to give you a nice juicy pick for today. So if you guys are new, get on Chalkboard. They're going to give you $20 of absolutely free money, no deposit necessary, when you use the code 907 Fantasy. Over here on Sleeper, they're also going to give you $20 of free money, no deposit necessary. They're also going to give you this Sam Darnold free square so that you can add that to any of your slips. Use the code 907 Fantasy when signing up over there. Over on BETR, they're going to give you $10 of free money. So if you're counting up that's $50 of absolutely free money. They're also going to give you a $200 bonus on your first deposit. They're going to give you the CJ Stroud free square that you can add into any of your picks when you use the code 907 Fantasy. So if you guys are new, there's $50 of free money that you guys can go and get. Just use the code 907 Fantasy when signing up on any of those. Also, all those links are down in the description below. So a little recap of yesterday. VIP had a nice day. I've been sending out plays following up to this weekend throughout the week. So that's why you guys want to get on VIP early. It's $99 a month or $25 a week. When you use the code Texas A&M, it's going to get you 70% off of both of those plans. So looking at this, use the code Texas A&M, get 70% off. You're going to cash that, and you're going to be winning every single day. So we had Bijan Robinson, Matthew Stafford. That was a free line of Matthew Stafford over on BETR. 10 into 17 there. We turned 5 into 10 with the Pickens one, 5 into 10 with this Pickens one, 5 into 850 with Cam Scadaboo, and then 5 into 850 with this Cam Scadaboo one. So we had some nice wins over on BETR. And then on Underdog, we had some money line picks. We had the Patriots, Chiefs, Broncos, and Packers, all on the money line for the money line picks. I sent all those out on VIP. We cashed every single one of those. Then over on ONYX, we hit this nice little four-leg parlay. The Chiefs money line, Utah Mammoths over 1.5 goals scored, Drake May over 180 passing yards, and then Jonathan Taylor over 70 rushing plus receiving yards for a nice win there. So those were some of the free plays. Like I said, we missed this free play yesterday. Bijan Robinson sold. Mac Jones sold. Only Jonathan Taylor and Christian McCaffrey crushed their lines. So unfortunate, but we're going to bounce back today. Like I said, get over there on the Winible. It's completely free to subscribe over there. And then you can get on one of the VIP plans. But let's hop over to PrizePicks and see what we're going to go with today. I'm liking Sam Darnold here over 190 passing yards. If you look at what he's been doing over the last 5, he's averaging 278. He went for 295, 341, 242, 218, 295. So I love him over 190 here. And then I love matching him up with his wide receiver 1 in Jackson Smith and Jigba. So taking him over, we can take him over 60 receiving yards and taking a look at what he's done over the last 5. He's averaging 114. He hasn't gone under 60 in any of those games. So give me over 60 receiving yards for a nice win there. And then taking a look at, I love Amon-Ra St. Brown here as well, over 50. If we take a look at what he's been doing, he did miss this, I believe it was last game. Yeah, he got, those numbers aren't even right. Where are his actual numbers? There we go. So he hit 45 last game, but he was gone for 170, 77, and 115. So give me over 50 from him. And then there's one other that I'm liking here. Oh, I do like Jahmyr Gibbs, but Dan Campbell said that he's going to be starting to split more of the time between David Montgomery and Jahmyr Gibbs. So that could limit some of Jahmyr Gibbs' touches to give him more of a kind of an equal run there. So I'm going to stay away from that one. But the other one that I like is Baker Mayfield on the passing. So give me over 200 from Baker Mayfield here. And that is a nice, juicy, juicy win there for us. So that is the official free pick for today. We're locking that in. We're taking Sam Darnold over 190, Jackson Smith and Jigba over 60 receiving yards, Amon-Ra St. Brown over 50 receiving yards, and then we're taking Baker Mayfield over 200 passing yards. So that is the official free pick for today. Like I said, go over here to the Winible. It's winnable.com/907fantasysports and get on the free plan. That's completely free to do. You're going to get all access to the free picks. And then if you want the VIP gold level, full week pass, or the NFL college football season pass, those are all been reduced there for $99, $25, and $4.99 for the year. So make sure to go over there, take advantage of that, and get on one of those plans. But we are back Monday Night Football. The NBA starts up tomorrow, and that is literally the best. I love NBA. That is my bread and butter there. So make sure to get on one of those, and you're going to get all access to all of NFL, college football, NBA, NHL, all the plans there. So make sure to get over here on the Winible and get on one of those. So good luck with all of your plays today. Let's go have another amazing day. Should be some good games on tonight. But let's go cash out and have another winning day. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow for some probably NBA props for the first day of the NBA season. So good luck and see you then. Peace.